DJI, widely regarded as among the best for aerial photography, filmmaking, and pro-level content creation. Here are top 5 DJI drones. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the best drones you can buy because it delivers exceptional performance in an ultra-compact, travel-friendly design. It's incredibly easy to carry and avoids many flying restrictions, making it perfect for beginners and creators on the go. Despite its small size, it features a 1/1.3-inch sensor with an f1.7 aperture, producing sharp photos and beautiful 4K HDR video with excellent dynamic range and low light quality. The Mini 3 also supports true vertical shooting, allowing you to create high-quality content without cropping. With up to 38 minutes of flight time, extendable to over 50 minutes with the Plus battery, you get long, uninterrupted flights, ideal for travel, real estate, and vlogging. Its stable gimbal, beginner-friendly controls, and intelligent flight modes make flying easy, while still offering professional-level results. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 offers the perfect balance of portability, camera quality, and ease of use, making it one of the best all-round drones for new pilots and content creators. Number 4. DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S combines power, flexibility, and practicality in a way few drones do. It features a dual camera system, a 1-inch wide-angle sensor for excellent landscape and cinematic shots, plus a 3x telephoto lens for tighter framing or detailed shots, giving you a lot of creative flexibility in one compact body. With up to 45 minutes of flight time, the Air 3S lets you shoot long sessions without frequent battery changes, ideal for travel, documentary, or real estate work. The drone also delivers rich, high-quality 4K video and a wide dynamic range, great for cinematic video or challenging light conditions. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, stable transmission over long range, built-in storage, and smooth live view feed, useful for both professionals and enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Air 3S hits a sweet spot pick for creators who want serious aerial imaging without jumping straight to heavy cinema-grade drones. Number 3. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the best portable DJI drone because it delivers professional performance in an ultra-portable, sub-250-gram design. Its upgraded 1-inch sensor captures stunning 50-megapixel photos and crisp 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with excellent dynamic range, making it ideal for creators who want high-quality footage without carrying heavy gear. The advanced gimbal allows true vertical shooting, perfect for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. With intelligent features like active track, master shots, waypoints, and improved obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro makes complex cinematic shots effortless for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its lightweight build also helps avoid many flying restrictions, giving you more freedom while traveling. Combined with long flight time, strong wind resistance, and safer low-light performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers the perfect balance of portability, power, and creativity, making it the best all-round DJI drone for most users. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the best drone for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering unmatched performance, versatility, and image quality in a compact design. Equipped with a dual camera system featuring a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor and a telephoto lens, it delivers stunning 20 megapixels photos and cinema-grade 5.1K video with incredible clarity, dynamic range, and color accuracy. Its advanced obstacle sensing in all directions, alongside the upgraded APAS 5.0 system, ensures safer, smoother flights, even in complex environments. The Mavic 3 boasts an impressive 46-minute flight time, allowing extended aerial shooting without frequent battery changes. Its intelligent flight modes, including master shots and focus track, simplify professional-level cinematography, while the O3 Plus transmission system guarantees ultra-stable, low-latency video feed up to 15 kilometers. Lightweight and foldable, it's highly portable for travel and on-location shoots. Combining reliability, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional imaging, the DJI Mavic 3 stands out as the ultimate drone for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. DJI Mavic 4 Pro is regarded as the best professional drone available today. It pushes drone camera technology to the next level with a triple camera system anchored by a massive 100 megapixels 4/3-inch sensor that captures ultra-detailed stills and cinematic 6K 60 FPS HDR video. Offering flexible framing, from sweeping wide-angle landscapes to tightly composed long-range shots, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. Its performance remains smooth and stable even in challenging wind conditions, and advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing makes flying safer, even at dusk or indoors. For creators and filmmakers, the drone's design, including its infinity gimbal with strong stabilization, long-range transmission system, and flexible camera zoom options, unlocks cinematic potential rarely seen in consumer drones. In conclusion, the Mavic 4 Pro brings pro-level image quality, flexibility, flight endurance, and safety all in one package, making it the top pick for serious aerial photography and videography. Subscribe and also check out other buying guide videos.